Na indi mwana musaisi akalivu ni kwenda tukumanithia na nenda tuambie na maovo mena Kyeva muno Syana Itatu nisyaviiya kana ni nyumbani nduani ya Uthini Kangundo kauntini ya Masaku utukuni wa kuamukia muthenyani wa umunthi itina wa nyumba yo kukwatw'a mwaki ni andu matesikie na indi kumanwa na ngusanisyo ila siwetekana ta sya kitheka na mathina ma kimusyi Kwianana ngusi ya itho nikana vethiitwe thina kati wa mutumia mwene musyi usu na iveti syake ili Itina wa mutumia usu mwene musyi kwenda umwe kati wa iveti isi yake ebetange kwake kwanzia ile itailite nipo nthi alamena uthatu mosi itambia ya kumubibisya nyumba yake OCPD wa Kangundo Zakaria Bitok ayekithia mavoa ni wawetakana ukunikili ni wende yulo wa kiko ki palami ya Syana isu ya ile itiwe ni thayu yosiwe na ya sembua nyumbani ya kusovya miaku ya sivitali wa Kangundo Daniel nukutwambisya.
Kisioni chake Uthini Kangundo kauntini ya Masaku. Etu ya Kyeva yini na vala Syana Itatu itiwe ni thayu vau kwa vau itina wa kuviiya vyu ni ulilinzi wa kitai ula ukwatiwe ni andu ala matanesa umanyika.
Ninoka nthini wa musyi nona kindu kila kikiiwe na Syana Itatu ila iteya ile kukwa ibegue na mwaki ningukulia andu maitu ila metha mena musasa nuta makekala nthi etha tiu makathi kwa serikali makayutatwa mathina ma muthemba to kiko ki ithita pastors makakuyo ni takilani na nakulia serikali nondo Kenya iungamitwe ni mea na tuitonya kwitikilia kwa vyovyote mundu akokela akeka undu nukwenda ite yose atua nene andu ala mekie kindu ki nitukwenda tuone hatua ya serikali yosa nikenda une tuikethwe na sindu cia muthemba to.
Munini wa Commissioner Joyce Akinyi kuma vaka kuyuni ndaumbula kana kwa ivinda ya sani vethiitwe na ngusanisyo sya utiwa kati wa mwanake wa musyu na iweto wala kuelesekana ngusanisyo isu nitona etha ivyo vie na kuete kiko ki.
This family was in my office yesterday and we tried to solve this amicably, and I could also bear witness that they had a long-standing dispute from the past decades. Yeah. So the matter surrounding this is purely on inheritance. As we all know, we have traditionally married wives in Kamba traditions of Iweto. So this family is purely a family which had an only child, and they had to get this other wife to bear children for them. So it's a case of disinheritance. Rather, it's a case where the son is trying to disinherit the wife brought to the family by the mother. And she claims that she has been here for over 6 decades, and she has a right to inherit the deceased properties. So they could not resolve this.
Yu ukunikilimbea ngeni wende na utwaiwa nikienda kumana umo wa mwakiu ula ukwatiwe utukuni wa kuamukia umunthi Syana isu itatu ila siye nyumbani ithi si vya vyu.
There was a land dispute which has been ongoing for a while now. There's a group which was before the DO yesterday, the DO Kakuyuni rather, and they were referred to take the matter to court. Only for this incident to happen late in the night, so we are trying to piece up all the loose ends to see what might have happened. Otherwise, as we speak, we lost 3 kids, 2 female and 1 male. The eldest was 8 years. We have another one 6 years old and a 4-year-old. All were burned beyond what you could not recognize them. The bodies were moved to Kangundo Level 4 Hospital and awaiting post-mortem. So for now, that's what we can say. The officers are on the ground, comping, trying to piece pieces of information to know probably where this authors of this heinous crime would have been.
Meya Syana Itatu nivikiwe nyumbani ya usuvia Masaku ila Kangundo level 4 okune kilimbeange wende na utwaiwa nikienda kumana umo wa mwaki usu na kumeke ambini esililwa na muene ndema ikulwa kuvika maofisini ma serikali kukwata utao panwa kuosa matameta makwananga mali na kumania thayu. Daniela Mwongela, Utongwe TV, kuma kauntini ya Masaku.